Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Google Assistant problem if you are facing any difficulty in using it. How you if you are talking to it and it is does not recognizing you or any other problem, how you can solve this problem in Vivo smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to go to settings option. Here you have to just go to apps, have option, then go to see all apps, and you can see there is a assistant option. Just you have to force stop this and disable this and then enable it and clear the cache of this, clear cache, and then you have to simply go back and use it. Will definitely uh, solve your problem. Hey Google, hey Google, hey Google, play a music on YouTube. And friends, you can see it is opening YouTube, and it is suggesting top most viral songs on YouTube. And then just when you just click on it, and it will play a song like this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.